Hi guys, I need to pop in real quick because I forgot to say something. So as the title shows you there, this is a haul, mostly HSN stuff. So whatever links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So kind of got carried away with doing the giveaway results and then started into the haul and I was like, oh, I didn't do my disclaimer. So let's get started. Hi guys, so today I have a haul for you guys. Yeah, most of it's from HSN and one of the items came a couple of days ago and I totally forgot. And then I hadn't opened the boxes that arrived because one of them is a Foodie Ninja, what's that thing called? Air fryer, I guess. And it's kind of big and I'm like, I'll deal with that later. And then there was another box that arrived and I didn't realize it was the other things that I've been getting from HSN. Oh, and a Ring doorbell. Not really a doorbell one. It's a different one that you can mount wherever you want in your house. But anyway, so I got that, so I'll open it up right now. And I also got my Spellbinders small die of the month, which is kind of odd because I get the small and the glimmer, but only the small die showed up and I haven't got the glimmer yet. And I know people are asking if they're usually this late. No, they're not usually this late. They're working out some stuff. And then also from, I guess, finishing up whatever their spring warehouse sale hubbub, you know. So, yeah, no, it's really odd. But they will send you your items if that's what people are curious about. Hopefully, you know, I mean, you'll get your products. But a little late, apparently. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the name drawing right now for the Cricut cartridge that I had given away in the Busted Out for the Anna Griffin Cricut cartridges that I had tried out and then realized Cricut wasn't using that anymore, the cartridge in your cartridge port in your Explorer machines. So I'm going to do that right now. There were about 146 comments. And like I said, not all the comments were entries because people like to comment, but then maybe people wanted this, maybe they didn't. So if it said enter me, then you were considered. But let's get to that right now.
Okay guys, so on the giveaway video there were only 146 entries. I wonder why. No, I'm just kidding. And they're not entries, they're comments. And I had said you had to say enter me to actually be considered because some people just like to leave a message, especially on a video like the Busted Out with the cartridges. So as you can see, some are enter me and some are just messages. So I had said you had to say enter me to be considered. And this is so funny. Even though this person didn't say enter me, I want to show you that number 1 was selected. And one of the criticisms people give me about random.org, they say number 1 never wins. And I'm like, how is that possible? It's a random generator. It has just as many chances as any other number to come up. And number 1 was the one. So kind of cool. Unfortunately, that person that was number 1, MT Cardi here down here, didn't say enter me. It's just saying that she just was saying that it's been that way for a while, that they still honor your cartridges. You have to work for it, basically. So the new number was 99. And 99 happens to be Catherine Scott. So Catherine Scott, you won the I guess Creative Friend cartridge and overlay. All right, I'll have my email in the description box. You can email me within 48 hours, hopefully, to claim your prize. Now let's get to that haul.
Okay, so isn't that so cool? I was like, number 1. So I saw it, I was like super excited. I was hoping number 1 had said enter me, but they didn't. So I was like, ah. So I still wanted to show it because it is, I don't want to say it's rare. It just has any chance like any other number to be selected. I just think it's funny when people are like, number 1 never gets chosen. You can't possibly know that. Like, how many times have people use random.org and you're like, never been chosen? Anyhow, kind of funny. Let me bring some of this stuff out and then we'll open it up. What is this? Looks like auto ships. Some auto ships, and then I have another box over here. So let's see. You know, I'm going to bring everything out so I can sit down. I just have this box, these boxes sitting next to me that I have to open up. Oh, okay, so maybe we'll have an unboxing of whatever that is. And I mentioned that I got my small die of the month. I don't know where I put it. So I'll have to find that. I thought it was here, and I'm like, oh, not here. I just dropped a bunch of stuff. Okay. Yeah, let's start with this one. I know sometimes it's hard to open these guys. I'm going to use a scissor. Okay, this is an easy one. So this is the interactive wheel. I know I didn't do the video yet on the other interactive wheel, which I will do. I changed my lighting situation. I don't know if it's better or worse. Not worse, but like not as good. Maybe that's better. That was too much of a shadow there. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, yes, I remember this one. Okay. That's kind of a mess. I just put everything here, but this one is, it goes with that interactive wheel one, if you guys remember, with the little typewriter and Polaroid camera. So it's showing you how to use it, but here's some of the ideas. Okay, I was gonna say, I don't think the message comes out of the kid's face, because I saw the kids and I'm like, oh no. So you have your little kid, or however you want to dress them up, and then the little sentiment comes out of like this little area here. And then you can dress it up with all the different fun things there, and it shows you all the different ways you might want to use them. Those are basically just stamps and then the dies that cut the stamp. It's not like a layering thing. So, super cute. Nice size. I don't know if you can see. And then again, you don't have to use them as an interactive wheel. You can just use them however you want. But there's that, and then the little frames that go around them. And the word birthday and happy. Super cute. So I will get to that. There's so many things even I picked up last craft day. I don't even think I've done any reviews because they came together so quickly, right? The one craft day and then the next one was like 2 weeks later, just over 2 weeks later. So it's just been busy. This is the auto ship for the tri-blends, the brush tip one. So this is something I got into when they first came out with the tri-blends. What was I going to say? Yeah, I was just thinking I have to put my disclaimer for affiliate links. I forgot to mention that at the beginning, so I'll have to go back and do that real quick. But this is Mother Nature, and they've sent other ones. See where, okay, Jade Green Extend, True Blue Extend. And somebody asked if I could make a video about what that means, or like shades, or, well, the blend is the regular one, right? The first one they sent. And then there's shades, there's tones, there's extend. It's basically, you know, you're going to just have pretty much all the different colors that they sell in a pen. And then this one goes along with the other BT pen, but then maybe the other one has BT2 and BT4 and BT6 or something, where this one has BT3, BT7, and BT8. So then you can still mix and match them and have different hues. I'll try to do a video more in depth about that, but that's basically the gist of it. Let me open this guy, because this is really sweet. I think this is still available. It's a Z-fold card with Stephanie Bernard. Super cute. Of course, her little booklet. I love the little booklet. Look at this one. The little card, and then you fold it up. They have a spot for it if you want to put a gift card or not, or however you want to use it. Just a little tag. And the die is a little bit bigger. I was going to say, it must be because to make a card this size, you know. Let me see. I'm sure it tells you there on HSN about the sizing, but maybe not. It is almost 11 inches tall, long, and then 5.5 inches tall. So it does make it a standard A2 size card, basically, roughly. So again, if you don't have something this long, because really this is outer die that you have to cut, I just double it up, right? You run it through as much as you can, and then move your paper and your die that was taped together real well to the next part that needs to be cut, and then run it through again, and you're good to go. But of course, your machine has to be wide enough with the 5.5 or so inches to take it in, even at that. I hope today, you know, I came across Crafter's Companion Rose Garden stuff when I was cleaning up to do the live yesterday, cleaning up. I was like, I never used it. I guess I unboxed it, but I never used it. So hopefully today I'll make a video using it, because I feel like doing something delicate and pretty like that. So I'll have that later. This is the Slimline Sunshine and Smiles. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so looking forward to this. The Diamond Press insert. Look at this. So I have something similar to this, I think from Pink and Main. I was gonna say, that company with the pink dies. Pink, that should click, you know, yeah, Pink and Main. But hers is more in the center, and then it's just a little bit different, right? The way you piece it back and all that kind of stuff is like a starburst or sunburst right in the center. But look at this. Oh, and honestly, I totally forgot it was gonna have an outer die. I thought it was just more inserts for the original set. So this is an auto ship, you guys, and unfortunately, it sold out, right? The auto ship sold out and the regular ship sold out on this one. What was it called? It was like a floral slimline. But look at, oh my gosh. And then you can mix and match it with the previous set. That's what I'm telling you. If you get auto ship, I know sometimes they sell out, but like if you can get on it, look at the hibiscus. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh, I'm so excited to have this. I think this says aloha. It's upside down. Friend. I love even the font on this one. Look how fun. Like, it's very playful. This one's a little bit different. It has like stitching. I like the stitching on the out here and outside here. Out here. And then here too. Miss you. I want to say this also says aloha, and maybe it's like the shadow for that one. And then sunshine and smiles. Oh my gosh. And then of course, I mean, I would know the words if I open that up, but I'm pretty sure that's what it says. That is so cool. Hopefully you guys are getting yours. Okay, yesterday in the video, I was asking if you guys have gotten your, oopsie, your Anna Griffin impression dies, and a few of you said yours were in the mail, or at least they sent you tracking. And I was like, oh, cool, then I guess that means mine is too. But no, still hasn't shipped, so I don't know. I'll keep waiting, I guess. Oh, okay, this is my auto ship for my Korres. And I've mentioned this to you guys before, and even Claudia was so sweet. I guess, you know, listening to the things I say, she sent me a set of, one of the subscribers here, Claudia, a set of hand lotions like this one, hand creams. So I just love this stuff. So if you're ever interested in it, just, I mean, for me, I've loved it since basically their inception. They used to sell it at Sephora, and I always thought, ooh, that's so cool, like when it first came out. So, oh, it smells so good. I don't even know if that's coming from this or this, but anyway, we have firming and smoothing face and body elixir. Like I said, this is an auto ship, and oh, the last one had this stuff too, and I use it here and there. I don't really use face stuff, like, honestly, and I don't want to be gross, and a lot of people are like, oh, because you're so, like, people say that, oh, they don't wash their face. I literally do not use, like, face washes, and maybe I need to because I'm getting older now, right? And I take that more seriously, but whatever water hits my face at the end of the night to take a shower, that's good enough. But, so I don't really go for this kind of stuff, but maybe I should. I put it on one time, it feels good, but I'm not really keeping up with it. But this is a big Wild Orchid body cream, so good, and the shower gel, oh you guys, it's good stuff. Okay, so that was what I have. I need to find that Spellbinders die. Either way, I was just gonna show it to you guys. It's that, I'll have to find it, because I have to come back anyway and do my disclaimer, so that's fine. All right, let's open this guy up. I think this is the Crafter's Companion sub box number 36. And I haven't done the last one or two sub boxes, so I will definitely make a tutorial, especially on the pop-up one. I think a lot of you guys were curious about that. The one that had the words. I guess it was maybe 34? Yeah, because I think after that was the penny slider, which I haven't even gotten to either. So if this is 36 and that was 34. So I need to do 34, 35, and 36. This is cute. Already just looking at it, this is very cute. I already can tell, unless they give us dies for these individual things, you might have to cut some of these pieces. So hopefully they gave us the dies for it, but who knows. Yeah, no, metal die 2 pieces, so that is not gonna have the pieces that you put on top like this. And then your cards and envelopes, and your colored card, printed papers, dewdrops, and pearls. Let's see. I told you guys I was gonna go to 36, and then after that, pick and choose them as they come out. But honestly, I don't keep up enough with Crafter's Companion website to like, oh, they just came out with this one, or like I used to, you know? So, I don't know. I might just keep it going. Okay, assorted pearls. And so sometimes I cut this, sometimes they're easy to open. See, this was not easy to open, so sometimes I just slit it, and then I was like, oh, they're easy to open, but no, it's not. Okay, well, there goes that. So I do like that they're reducing the plastic packaging, which is really great. These are really pretty pearls. I like the colors. I like the colors of the blue and the pink. The green's a little out there. Pretty. So usually what I do is I cut them, and then I realize, oh, you don't have to cut them, but that last set I did. So there we go. Dewdrops. I do like the dewdrops. These are fun. You just pop them on something. It just gives a little something, and it's just like really cute. So you can see even if you put them on wherever. Assorted ribbon. Okay, that one I totally did not slash and totally destroyed. Okay, we have our ribbons again. This is about 1 foot of each ribbon. I do like the colorway again, that minty green. A little bright. But if they have papers that coordinate with it, then I'll be happy with that. Metal dies. Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this little mushroom house, that is too adorable. So where else can you get the boxes? So this is the auto shop on HSN. Again, Crafter's Companion themselves will have them usually before the HSN ones go out, or right around the same time, if not that. Paper Wishes, scrapbook.com has them. I don't know how, I haven't really paid attention to like if they're on track or if they're a month behind or how they get them, but they'll have them too. Which reminds me, the magazine definitely sold out on Tonic. Actually, I was like, oh, is it sold out yet? And I looked, yeah, it had sold out within like a day. So I had mentioned usually scrapbook.com gets them next. And then people are asking me, when do they get them? There's usually like a month later. But not always. That's not a hard and fast rule. They just get it later. And the reason people want that one is because it's the US version that has the bonus die. I know a lot of people are like, oh, they have it on Craft Stash. And yeah, they have it on Craft Stash, but on Craft Stash, for $12.99, you don't get the extra die set. So if you want to spend $12.99 and get the basic magazine with the basic die set, then that's a great price. Otherwise, it's $19.99 and it comes with the bonus die. And I guess we say free die, but it's not really free, it's bonus. But at the same time, Craft Stash just has lower prices anyway. So like, Tonic isn't going to sell it for $12.99. It's $19.99 regardless if it has the bonus die or not. So just when you pick it up in the US. And then I think they even in their UK version now have it with the bonus die. I feel like. I don't know if it's $19.99 though. But anyway, so I will let you know whenever it comes to scrapbook. Really pretty inlay. I just think that's really gorgeous. But again, like I was saying, if you want to have a separate color, you're going to have to like notch some out or paper piece back in or to make it look like this. So it does take a little more work than you think. Like this, that has paper piecing and they trimmed away like some of the pink area. You know, you run it through different colors. So it looks really nice, but it's not going to be quick, right? So there's that. Card blanks, I'm not going to really card blanks. So 6-inch square, 5x7 and probably 4x6. Yeah, I can feel that. 4x6. And then the envelopes to go with that. And let's look at the papers. So it feels like less paper. Do you guys remember how many papers they usually include? It feels like less, and then even on the paper on the thing, I think it said like 18 or 12 pieces, and I'm like, I don't know. Maybe that's just my memory. Cute floral here. Again, it has like a little green undertone. I don't know if you can see that. It's not white. It's like greenish. We have this blue and white dot. That minty green kind of look. So I guess, you know, they did a good job this time around of matching those colors because sometimes the colors are way off. It's like, what happened? So this is nice. Kind of like a little wallpapery rose paper. Cute. The larger pink dot. I like this paper. I think this is something similar in the Parisian chic. I like this kind of tone. And then the little gingham or checker. I guess that's more of a plaid. And let's see about these papers. All right. Kind of a bright green. We have like a lighter blue, a minty green. The coral color, and then like a deeper coral, which is good. I mean, like the floral matches. Some of these, like this pinky color, what would you, it kind of does not match with those things. Would you use it with this? Not really, you know, kind of interesting. But anyhow, okay, let me see if I can find my small die just so I can show it to you by this time of the month. I mean, most people have already seen it with the other probably tutorials or reviews that are out there. I'll be right back. My plan in the meantime was to clean this up and I still left it there, but here it is. Yeah, I just put it in this box. I have a box that I keep for like review stuff, you know, things I would like to get to. But that's where I put it. So the small die of the month for May 2021. Very interesting. And it has this little piece that's separate from this piece, You know, I love when Spellbinders does stuff like this because you can stack it up however you like or not use them or whatever it is. And then if you want to make it to a slimline, you just cut the two basically one right after the other. It has like a little dial look. I think I prefer to keep it like this, but super cute. Very intricate. I always say the small die, of course, the stamp of the month are I think the most valued, I don't know if valued, that has the most value if you want to get in, because it's $15 for the small die, or $10 for the stamp of the month, and you still get your 10% off the Spellbinders site, you know, the whole month or whatever, the whole time that you're a subscriber, so it's pretty good. And then, of course, the value clubs and all that kind of stuff, so I'll have the links to it if it's still available. I know sometimes the clubs sell out, so but thanks for watching, guys, and winner, please contact me. I'll have my email in the description box. All right, have a good one. I'll see you guys later, hopefully with the Rose Garden collection card or something. We'll do something. All right, bye now.